Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about selection sort techniques in data structure. Third unit, we have to discuss about sorting algorithms. In the previous video, we have discussed about the bubble sort algorithm, how to implement the bubble sort algorithm, and the complexity of the bubble sort algorithm we have discussed. So here I shared the link for your reference. So before going to discuss about the concept, the outcome of this presentation is, after completion of this presentation, students will be able to arrange the data with the help of selection sorting technique. So after completion of this presentation, you are able to write a C program for selection sorting techniques, and that technique is used to arrange the data in a order. So as per our syllabus, second sorting technique is selection sort. So we will discuss about selection sort, how the selection sort will work, and how to write the C program for selection sort, and how it will be performed in a practical way through dance video. I shared the link. Finally, complexity we will discuss, and some questions I posted for your reference. What is selection sort? It is also the simplest sorting algorithm. So bubble sort we have discussed, that sorting algorithm also simplest one. We know that. So now this is also I am telling simplest sorting algorithm. Why I am telling simplest sorting algorithm? Because it is an in-place comparison based algorithm. Place, not value. We are comparing the place of the values. That's why it is simplest sorting algorithm. The smallest element is selected from the unsorted array. If we are taking array for a list of values, from that it will find the smallest element in the list. Then it is swapped with the leftmost element. In bubble sort, we know the highest element went to last position. But here, the smallest element will comes to first position. Then find the smallest element from the remaining list, that is second position to last position it will find, and it will be swapped to second position. Like that, each position, the smallest value from the remaining values will swapping will be happened in this algorithm. This algorithm is not suitable for large data set. Why? Because it will check the entire list for finding the smallest element each and every time. So that's why it is not suitable for large data set. So simply we can see how it is working. First round, in first round, same like first pass or one pass, like that. After first round, the smallest element placed in the leftmost position, that is first position of the array. In second round, again we are finding the next smallest element from the remaining elements, and it will be placed in the second position. That's why I told it is in-placed sorting algorithm. Third round, third element will comes to third position, like it will goes up nth round. Finally, it will sorted in a incremented order. This is the selection sort. So now we will discuss about implementation of the selection sort. So already we know we will get total number of elements using scanf statement, and then we will get the value of each and every location, like in case 5 is the size of the array means we will get 5 values from the user using scanf statement. So here, as per our discussion, we have to find the minimum value of the entire list. How we have to find it? So we have to consider both position of the element as well as, and then we have to find the minimum element in the list. So for that purpose, we have to consider two for loop. First for loop, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So this will be considered for the position of the element. It will start from the position of the element. And then J loop is used for compare the value of the element. So if the value is greater, then it will be swap the position of the particular value. So how these two loops are working here? So in case this loop will work finding the minimum values, this is the entire for loop. Second for loop will start from J loop and ending with the swapping concept. How it is working? The simple example I am taken here. So example n equal to 5. That is 5 elements in the array. I given the value 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. So we know that array index will start from a of 0 to a of n minus 1. So here a of 0 to a of 4 it will consider. The first for loop I equal to 0 initially, then it will enter that I value is assigned to the position. So position equal to 0. Then it will enter into the J loop. Then J equal to I plus 1. I equal to 0 plus 1. So J equal to 1. So the condition is checked. What condition it will check? Till n minus 1 it will check. So it will check the value array of 0, that is array of I greater than array of J. What is array of I? I value is 0. So array of 0 greater than array of J value, J equal to 1. So array of 1. What is the array of 0 value? 5. Array of J value? 4. So array of 0 value 5. Array of 1 value is 4. We are comparing 5 greater than 4. If condition is true, what we will do? We are assigning J value to the position. Okay. So assigning J value to the position. So now position value is 1. Now J is incremented. Then it will check J equal to I plus 1. So now J equal to 2. So what happened? Array equal to 1 because I value is 1 now. Then that is position. Array of position greater than array of J. What is the position value? 1 greater than array of J value is 2. So second time we are compared 4 greater than 1. So condition true. So the J value is assigned to the position. Okay. So then now position is equal to 2 and then J equal to incremented by 1. So now J equal to 3, position equal to 2. So now we are checking the condition array of 2 greater than array of 3. So array of 2 value is 1 and then array of 3 value is 3. So the condition is failed. So the position value not changed. Okay, then position value is only 2. But J value is incremented by 1. So J equal to 4. So now again we are comparing array of position equal to 2, array of 4, J equal to 4. So we are comparing the value 1 greater than 2. Again condition false. Then position is not changed. So now position equal to 2, but J value is incremented by 1. So what happened? J is equal to 5. The loop was over. That is inner loop is over. So now position 2 have the smallest element. Like 0, array 0, 5, array 1, 4, array of 2, 1, array of 3, 3, array of 4 equal to 2. So from this list, we are finding minimum value, like array of 2 is the minimum value. So once we are finding the location or position of the smallest element, we have to change the position of the array. So it is in array of 2. Now we have to assign array of 0. For that, we are checking the conditions. Position not equal to 0. That is I value. We are comparing if statement. Position not equal to I value. So I equal to 0. Then position equal to 2. Okay. So now what happened? Once it is checked, it is not equal to 0. Then we have to swap the position. But we are changing. So array of 0 value 5, it will be assigned to the t. So t equal to 5 now. T is the temporary variable. So if you want, you can use the temp or some other variables. I am using t here. So next, array of 2 value assigned to array of 0. What is the array of 2 value? Array of 2 value is equal to 1. The 1 will be assigned to array of 0. That is first position. So now we are assigning minimum value to first position. Okay. So now the temporary value is already stored 5. The 5 will be stored to array of 2. So what happened? 1 and 5s are interchanged. So minimum element comes to first position. So inner loop over. So it will goes to outer loop. I incremented by 1. So now I equal to 1. Again, j will be start from I plus 1. So because first position over, we have to check the second position to nth position. Okay. So this is a program we are used for that. I explained inner loop. This is the inner loop. This is the outer loop. Inner loop will be finding the minimum value and that position will be shifting from the particular smallest element position. Okay. So now once all the inner loop and outer loop is over, we have to print the element. So which element we have to print? So already we know that I equal to 0 because the location will start from 0 to n minus 1. So the printing element we have to print, already you know about that. So now implementation over. The sample example I will given here. Enter number of elements, I will give 8 elements. So in our printf statement, enter 8 integers will be printed. I will enter these elements 44, 55, 88, 22, 10, 99, 55, 47. After that, the program will be executed and produce the result in a sorted order. So the same concept will be shown through the downs. Using this link, you can watch the video. Complexity of the selection sort algorithm. Here also, each and every time, we have to check entire element for finding the minimum element. So n into n, so n square for worst and average case. Then best case, the already sorted order is there. So similar to the bubble chart algorithm. So outcome of this presentation, students are able to arrange the data with the help of selection sorting techniques. So here you know the concept of selection sort and how to write the program for selection sort. So from that, you are able to arrange the data using the selection sort techniques. So simple questions I posted here, you have to find the answer for these questions. Compare bubble chart and selection sort algorithm and show which is better. Identify the number of swapping in a following array when using selection sort to print sorted order. So I given the array, so you have to sort it using selection sort algorithm. Finally, write a C program to implement selection sort for a given array. So these questions are sample questions. It's under understand level and apply level. So you can try for write the answers. Thank you. Any queries is there? You just mail me. The next video